Well, this afternoon we've got really great weather ahead of us for the rest of your Friday. It's quiet and clear here in Grand Forks. So quiet that our flags are barely moving in our live view at Home of Economy. Nice to see a break from that wind here for today. That clearing, the wind easing up. Well, that led to some pretty chilly temperatures this morning. Some of us got down into the mid 30s, 34 in Langdon. Grand Forks, Fargo both got down to 37 degrees. We did get a picture in from someone around the Thompson area of some frost on their window in their vehicle. So again, it was chilly here, not quite record setting, but still a cold morning to start off. So that's why seeing 50s and 60s looks so good right now because we've come a long way already. We're at 60 degrees in Fargo. It's 61 in Grand Forks. Some 50s more to the east, but at least we're getting some sunshine there. This is also where we have just a little bit of that wind left. We're seeing winds that are gusting at times into the low 20s. But that's as strong as they are. So that's a big difference from where we were yesterday when we were getting those gusts into the 40s. And that wind variable, we're starting to see it turn a little more southerly out to the west. So here's our situation here. We're looking at clear skies, just a couple of clouds perhaps up by Lake of the Woods, closer to this area of cloud cover and a little bit of instability there. Some rain, some thunder down into South Dakota and in between this beautiful blue sky here in the valley. Now it's not so nice the farther south you go in the country. We're talking about down toward Florida. We mentioned that potential for what could be our first tropical storm of the season. It's not there yet, so it's currently labeled as 1, and that means it's a potential tropical cyclone 1 here. And we're looking at gusts of sustained winds 40 miles per hour. It's moving to the northeast at about 5. That's the center of circulation. It's just off the coast of the Yucatan Peninsula in the Caribbean, and you can see a lot of rain over Cuba. Here's Miami here to orient you. Southern Florida already seeing plenty of heavy rain with this one. And tracking it out, well, the center of circulation making a beeline for that southern tip of Florida here. We're looking at places like Naples, Fort Myers, the Marco Island area, kind of right in that center of circulation. And one thing to point out, see this tropical storm icon there, and that indicates that we're likely to see this become a tropical storm. At least the National Hurricane Center believes so, sometime later tonight. And then heading into the next 24 hours, this would be making its way to that coastline of Florida. They're coming up for tomorrow morning, sometime during the day on Saturday. So your tropical names, we've got a new list here, and when it becomes a tropical storm, we're talking Alex was what we'll be calling it here. So something to watch for, especially because I know a lot of folks have ties to Florida. They're going to have some big impacts there in the form of some heavy rain, and in addition to that, the potential for severe weather. We are lucking out and experiencing nothing like that here today. We've got beautiful conditions heading into the afternoon, 60s to some low 70s. The wind will be light. It's just looking like a fantastic evening for us as well for your Friday. Expect to have some quiet conditions here overnight and into tomorrow morning. We're stopping at Saturday morning with temperatures that are looking to be pleasant compared to today. More 40s to some 50s coming up for your Saturday to start. Now, during the day, another system, a disturbance will be passing by south of us. So a couple of clouds associated with that. The rest of us enjoying some sunshine, temperatures 60s to some 70s yet again for Saturday. So looking quite nice. Sunday is the day we may see an isolated shower, even a rumble of thunder return afternoon, evening hours, I would say right now is what it looks like. And it'll be isolated, most of us staying on the dry side. So not bad for this weekend. And this just kind of carries on into next week.
Just enjoying the nice calm weather for once.
Yes, I think we don't mind the cooler temperatures if that means it's calm, at least for now.
Thank you, Lisa.